Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how a staff member can complete the security clearance check in iCheck-In. The security clearance check works on the operating hours for your service. This can be located underneath the service menu and under General, click on Details and then click on the operating hours. So the security clearance will be available 30 minutes before the service closes. Switching back over to in iCheck-In, the staff member will click on the staff login tile. Select their staff name and enter in their staff PIN. We will display a banner notification identifying how many staff members are still required to complete this check. Therefore, this means 2 staff members out of 2 still need to complete the security clearance. The staff member has 2 options. They can either click here to complete this process and click to sign here. Alternatively, they can click on the security clearance feature tile and click to sign here. So the staff member will be able to see the security clearance message that has been set up in the service settings. Once the staff member has completed the list of security clearance items, they can click to sign here. This will electronically sign their username, the date, and the time. It will not allow the staff member to complete the security clearance check if all children have not been signed out of the service. When we go back, you can now see the banner has been removed from that staff member's login on iCheck-In, identifying that that user account has already signed and completed the security check for that day. If the requirements are for 2 or more staff members, again, the same process. The next staff member clicks on their name, enters in their staff PIN. You can now see it's been updated to 1 of 2, identifying that 1 staff member is still required to complete the security clearance. So again, the staff member can either click here to complete this process, or they can click in on the security clearance feature button and click to sign here. For further information on how to complete the security clearance check, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft Customer Success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.